I have here for you a portable case for insulin pens, which are very important when you have something that needs cooling and you have to go on the road. It looks like this. There you have a display with the temperature. And when you open this up, there you can see you have several pockets here, and there is some insulation here. These are the cooling packs, very important. There's another one, and here is the measurer for the thermometer, really important. We're going to put it back in again and on top here, and let's get a pen and see how it looks like in there. I've just touched it, so it's quite warm. You can see this again. Thermometer is working well when I touch it, so you can see 27.7. When I touch it, it goes up instantly. Really good. Perfect. I'm going to put it in again and get a pen. As you can see now, temperature goes a little bit down. This is how it looks like. I have a pen here that just came out of the fridge. Here is some space for some needles. And when I put the thermometer on here, let me just show you. I'll show you how it goes down. So you can see, comes straight out of the fridge and the temperature goes down. Very good to have and to see, and this will be very, very useful when I go on the road and need this pen. Very, very good.